All right, we're ready to really get some recovery going on with our legs, our quads and adductors, and maybe IT band if that's what you need. These are the Alpha Twins, and that's what we'll be using for our massage today to make your legs feel like $1,000,000. My name is Cami, and I love sharing yoga, self-massage, and proper biomechanic trips and techniques to help you feel your best. So let's get started. We're going to take these Alpha Twins and keep them in their tote today. And I'm going to kick my left knee out to the side, and that's my right knee, and then bring the Alpha Twins perpendicular to my quadricep, my thigh muscles, so I can roll up and down on them. So this is just simple stripping technique where you're just up and you can crawl up with your elbows and come down. I'm going to target different quads. So as I turn my toes out, I'm getting my vastus medialis, quadricep muscle group. As I turn my toes straight down, I'm getting more of my rectus femoris, and down, well, we'll talk about that in a minute. And then turning my toe in, I'm getting more of my vastus lateralis quads. But let's say I want to really turn sideways and kickstand that leg. Then I can go all the way over onto my IT band. And then let's go back to the center. And let's say you find kind of a dragon, kind of a owie spot. You're going to pin the balls right there on that little bit of a dragon, and then bend and straighten. Pin and stretch. Let's find another, right there, there's a good spot. So now I'm going to flex my quads, I'm going to straighten my knee, stiffen my quads, and then exhale, and release into that deep dive. So if I were right in the middle, then I would get down into my vastus medialis, or intermedius muscle group of the part of the quads. So one more thing I wanted to show you. So I'm going to straighten that right leg and bend this left leg, and then take the balls and make them go perpendicular to my inner thigh muscles. And then I'm just going to run that up and down. This is one of my favorites. Oh man, do I love it. Feels really good along the whole length of those inner thighs. Clear up to the insertion, clear up here into where they insert into the pubic bone and the sits bones, ischial tuberosities, and then all the way down to the knee. Feels awesome right next to the knee. So there you go. Nice, easy. Few techniques to give those legs a super good recovery. So start it over, do the other leg, and enjoy, because after every run or after every time that you feel like you've just worn your legs down and they need a little TLC, these are the trick. But any of them will work. These are just my favorite because they feel the best, in my opinion. A lot of people love the pluses too. Anyway, there'll be a link if you need some of your own below, and if you're local, I always have them available. And if you missed the other leg recovery video that is out there in the universe, I think I'm going to call it Leg Restore and Recover. So catch that, because that is a quick way to make your legs feel amazing again also. Thanks for joining me, and I hope you have a wonderful day and that your legs feel lovely when you're all done. see ya. Namaste.